Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1996 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. A 12-bit ADC is operating with a 1 microsecond clock period, and the total conversion time is seen to be 14 microseconds. The ADC must be of the A. Flash type ADC, B. Counting type ADC, C. Integrating type ADC, D. Successive approximation type ADC. What can be this one? Okay. So integrating type ADC is also called as dual slope ADC. Integrating type is also called as dual slope ADC, okay, or single slope ADC. So flash type is also called as parallel ADC, or it is also called as comparator ADC. And this is counting ADC, or it is also called as tracking ADC. Tracking. It is also called as tracking ADC. And this is last one is nothing but successive approximation type. So if a 12-bit ADC is going to be finding 14 microseconds as total conversion time with 1 microsecond clock period. So what is the type of ADC? What is the ADC type? Whether it is flash type or integrating type, counting type, or successive approximation type. So we must know few basic things related to the ADC so that we can identify this one. Okay. So out of these four different types of ADCs, fastest ADC is nothing but flash type. Flash type ADC, flash ADC is fastest, so it takes only around 1 clock cycle. The conversion time for this one is nothing but only 1 clock cycle. Okay, as soon as you are applying the input signal, you will get the outputs. Okay, so very less time, but it is going to be taking more and more number of components, and hardware required is large, so it will be normally used up to 10 bits at most. Okay, and second bit is nothing but successive approximation type, successive approximation ADC. Successive approximation ADC, in this one, conversion time depends on number of bits, number of output bits, that is nothing but with how many number of bits the output is going to be representing, whether it is 10 bit or 8 bit, 12 bit, 20 bit. So the conversion time depends on number of output bits, it doesn't depend on the input magnitude. Okay, here the conversion time doesn't depend on the input magnitude, conversion time only depends on number of output bits. Always conversion time ideally equal to n. Conversion time required is nothing but n, where n is number of bits, okay. So if it is 10 bit, at that time it is going to be taking 10 clock periods. Okay, if it is n is equal to 12 clock periods. And if you are going for the strictly, conversion time can be represented as n plus 2, because it also requires to start the conversion and to end the conversion also, it requires 2 more extra clock pulses. To initiate the conversion and to end the conversion, it requires 2 additional clock pulses, so that this is practical. That is what ideal. So practically how much time an ADC is going to be taking, successive approximation is nothing but n plus 2. So this is practical. These 2 extra clock pulses is to initiate the process, is to end the process. Okay, and next one is nothing but counting type. Counting type is nothing but internally it will be consisting of a up counter, and whenever the up counter is replaced with up down counter, at that time that counting type is called as tracking ADC. And this is going to be taking longer conversion time, and conversion time is proportional to magnitude of input signal, magnitude of input signal So this counting type, if you are applying a larger magnitude, at that time it takes longer time. So conversion time depends on the input signal magnitude, it won't be fixed. And the last one is nothing but dual slope. Dual slope ADC. Dual slope is nothing but which is the slowest among all, which is slowest among all types of ADCs. So with the help of this information, so we can say that one, the 12-bit ADC is nothing but n is equal to 12, and it is taking n plus 2 clock cycles as its conversion time. So 12 plus 2 is nothing but 14 microseconds. So 14 microseconds, generally it is going to be having delay for the successive approximation type. So the right answer for this question is nothing but D. So the right option for this one is nothing but D.